Howdy. Hi, this is RJ, and my single dad video is my trip back from this last holiday. I went fishing and hung out up in the high Sierras, Eastern Sierras, and I have some video to share with you. But I also have a topic to share with you because when I came back from this trip, I had a lot to reflect on. And most importantly, I got some great quality time fishing with my son. And what I realized is my son is growing up before my very eyes. And he's growing up, he's growing tall, his voice is getting deeper. And it's just one of those gifts about being a dad and growing up with your children. I'm realizing that he's the young man and I'm the old man. And we had some great times together, but I want to share, I grouped up a bunch of, I gathered up a bunch of family photos over the years, not only of when I was fishing as a young man and a young father, but also of my son fishing with me and the rest of my family, my parents, my mother, my dad, and my children. So enjoy the video and the memories with me. I hope you like it.
Hi son, what are you doing? I am sitting out here on my float tube. This is what it looks like, a float tube, and I'm about to do some trout fishing with my son. We're catching the last light of day, and as you can see around us, it is a beautiful afternoon. And you can see how beautiful it is. And there's Massimo, it's all geared up. And I'm about ready to get geared up as well. What you'll see is that is my tackle box. We're using some lures called trout teasers. I've got my fins kicking. And what do I got here? Oh! Looks like I got a little good luck medicine with me. Hey, where did that come from, Moss? It's great to have a little tackle box with you. Anyways, I'll let you know how it goes. This is what it's all about. That's why they call it fishing. There he is. Come home to Papa. Staring right at you in the face. There you go, buddy. It's a nice, beautiful rainbow. Gonna keep that one. Woo! Good colors on him. I think we're gonna let that one go. He's about 2 pounds. We're gonna let him go. He's got a brother waiting for us. First trout season of the year, first tripping, and my son's got a big one. Let's see it. Hey, very nice. Very nice. First trip of the year, and we're out here for Memorial Day. We're at Lake Sabrina up in Bishop, California. Had to come down the hill because Mammoth had too many rain, sleet, little snow, thunder, and lightning. What do you got? Let's see it. Atta boy. Good job, son. So here we are at Lake Sabrina, and we're doing our first trout fishing of the season. And so far, my son's got me, how many is that? 3 to 1? He's got 3, I've got 1. So I'm going to have to step it up a bit. And this is a float tube. And this is how we fish. This is my engine. These are my flippers. This is how I get around by doing this. My tackle box, both sides. And have a great time. The weather's not too bad. It's pretty cloudy, but we're down in a valley. There's the dam. And there's one other fisherman over there. And it's not too bad. The weather is actually pretty mild considering we were in snow. This is actually just a great day fishing. Worst day of fishing, still better than the best day at work. What do you say? What do you say? Huh?
What do you mean?
Who's a better fisherman today? Who?
I don't know.
You don't want to jinx yourself yet? It's still early. Let's see that stringer.
One on it. On the keeper.
You think we could teach John and Jesse how to catch fish like that? You think they'd like it? As much fun as we're having?